Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 8th standard. Today I will discuss about India physical features. India physical features, this is my second part. Already in the first part, I have already discussed about the physical features, how many division is there. Again I am saying that the physical divisions. Number 1, the Great Northern Mountains. Second, the Great Northern Plains. Third, the Great Peninsular Plateau. Fourth, the Great Indian Deserts. Fifth, the Coastal Plains. Sixth, the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. And the seventh, the island groups. Today, I will discuss about the first one, the Great Northern Mountains. The Great Northern Mountains, this part it is the Great Northern Mountains. Himalayan mountains of India are known as Great Northern Mountains. They are located, you have seen this is just like an arc shape. So an arc in the northern part of India. And they form a natural boundary. This is the northern side, that natural boundary in the northern side. So now let's see what is the extension from where to where it extends. It extends from Jammu and Kashmir to the north side, and slowly after Nepal and Bhutan, it has reached Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur in the eastern side. The total length of Himalayan mountains is about 2,500 km and their average width varies from 150 to 400 km. The Himalayas or Himalayan, this mountain is divided into 3 main parallel ranges. What are those parts? Number 1, the Himadri or Greater Himalayas. This Himadri means this part, and second one, that is Himachal or Lesser Himalayas, and means this part, and third one is Shivalik or Outer Himalayas. Now, the 3 parallel ranges you see. First one is the Himadri or Greater Himalayas. Second, the Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Third, the Shivalik or Outer Himalayas. So, these mountains are the main source of rivers. Because you know that this is mountain is high altitude. Altitude increases and temperature decreases. So, you know that if altitude increases, temperature decreases, means that is as it is Himalayas and it is covered with snow. Covered with snow means that is morning time snow melts. That's why from there automatically always the water is coming, and evening time means in the night time freezes. Water freezes. That's why there is continuous supply of water, and continuous supply of water means that is that whatever the rivers are coming from here, that is all are perennial rivers. Perennial rivers means there is water throughout the year. So let's see, these mountains are the main source of rivers, and what some of the famous world's famous rivers are found in these Himalayas, such as what are those? That is Indus flowing from here, Ganga and its tributaries, Yamuna, Ganga, Yamuna, Kosi, Gharghara, Gandak. These are the rivers are found in these mountains. The Baltoro and Siachen glacier are the main glaciers found in these Himalayas. Now, next part, first we will discuss about the Greater Himalayas. Greater Himalayas means the first stage of these Himalayas. Means from here 3 stages are there, Greater, and then we will say that is second one Lesser, and third one is Outer. But they are having some particular name, that Himadri, Greater one, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. These 3 only you will use whenever you will write any answer. So Greater Himalayas, first we will say about the Greater Himalayas. It is the Greater Himalayas is the northernmost part. This brown color part you have seen, that is the northernmost part of mountain range of the Himalayas. Its average height of this is known as that Greater Himalayas is known as Himadri, I have told you. So the average height of the Himadri is about 6,000 meters. Then and I have already told you that is snow-cladded, means covered with snow, and the world's highest peak are located in this range, that is Mount Everest. Mount Everest's height is 8,848 meters in Nepal, this part, Mount Everest. And Kanchenjunga also just beside there, here this Kanchenjunga, that is that the height is 8,598 meters. It is the world's third highest peak, and it is situated in Sikkim-Nepal border. So the Gangotri and Yamunotri are these two glaciers are found in this Himadri, and the river Ganga and Yamuna rise from these glaciers. Next we will come, that is Himadri or Lesser Himalayas, means just after this Himadri, that is Lesser Himalayas, are coming Himachal. Himachal means that is Lesser Himalayas. So it lies, first point we can say that it lies to the south of Himadri. Secondly, we can say its average height is about 4,500 meters. Many popular hill stations are also found here. That is that the Pir Panjal and Dhauladar are the major ranges of this Himachal. And it has a number of longitudinal valleys, that is that the Kashmir Valley and Kanga Valley, Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley here also found here in this Himachal. Next is coming, that is Shivalik. Shivalik means this one is Shivalik, just first, second and third part is Shivalik. This Shivalik is known as Outer Himalayas. It is the southernmost range of the Himalayan mountains. First part, that is already told, Himadri, and that is the northernmost. Third one is Shivalik, means last one, southernmost, and the average elevation is about 1200 meters, and it has a large number of longitudinal valleys. This is called, that longitudinal valleys is actually called dunes. So what are the dunes found here? Patli Dune, then Kotli Dune and Dehradun are the important dunes of the Himalayan mountains. So I have finished this part by part I am discussing. So this one, that great northern mountains, only that concise way I have told in this video. So hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you, students.